everyone, I'm Lauren Boucher. Welcome to my cooking show. Today I'm going to be making tortilla chips. They're already almost tortilla chips, but I'm going to fry them. You're supposed to let these dry, and if you don't leave them out overnight, you can put them in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes, or you can put them at 200 for 10 minutes. Either way works, but you kind of want them a little bit stale. So yeah, you can tell it's like a chip. It's not gonna taste delicious. But anyway, these are flour tortillas. You can use corn tortillas. And to make tortilla chips, you just fry them in a pan. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm using avocado oil. You can use vegetable oil. You wanna kind of stay away from olive oil. Grapeseed oil is good, canola oil. But yeah, that's all you need. Gonna put this in the pan. So I'm just gonna do enough to coat the bottom. I'm gonna turn on the heat to get it started. It is on medium heat. It's warming up. So I'm gonna divide this into 6 pieces. Shit. These chips, I guess, are not gonna be even. They're already crispy, so it is what it is. I'm just gonna cut them into not even pieces. But in an ideal world, you'd cut them in half and then cut each half into 3 pretty little pizza slices. Like, this is the goal. Whether it's the end result, you know, it is what it is. Okay, so the second one went a little better than the first, but we got our pieces. So you want to fry them for 2 minutes on each side. I'm going to put a little paper towel on this plate so that when I'm ready to take them off, I can just get a little bit of the oil off on the plate. I will be right back. So I'm gonna throw a little piece of tortilla on to see if it's hot enough. Okay. Looks like it's ready. Let's throw these on. I don't want to crowd them, so I'm just gonna do 2 batches. These seem to be browning up pretty quickly, so I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. I'm gonna check on this one over here. Oh, not quite ready yet. Looks like just the edges are heating up. Oh yeah, so. Did I flip this one? Oh. Okay, they're starting to smoke a little bit, so I think I'm just gonna take them off. Let me check them out. Yeah, so those are good. Put them right on the paper towel. Ooh, yeah, those got a little toasted. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit and take it off the heat for a hot second. Okay, so the heat is down. We're gonna throw the other ones in. Turn it down. So the second batch went a lot quicker than the first batch. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove off. Look pretty good. Salt these right away. Try a little one. Oh my God. So good. The second batch cooked a lot quicker than the first batch, so be aware of that. They're so freaking good. They taste more like pita chips to me than tortilla chips. I have some hummus, some salsa, little homemade hummus. If you want the recipe, I have a video on how to make it. Very good. Some salsa, a little salsa. Oh my God. If you made nachos with these chips, I'm telling you, everybody would be so impressed and very excited about them. They take no time at all. 2 ingredients. You're worried your tortilla wraps are gonna get stale? Make them into some chips. Thank you for watching. So crunchy.